Welcome to JP Education channel. Today I am going to tell you about addition reactions. Now, what is addition reaction? Just anything adding to another substance is called as addition reaction. We'll see addition reaction in alkenes. Now, what is alkene? Alkenes are compounds of carbon and hydrogen which have a double bond. Otherwise, in chemistry language or chemical way, it's called as unsaturated compounds. So, the first member of the homologous series of alkenes is called as your ethene, and this ethene has two carbons with a double bond in between them, and other valencies of carbon is satisfied by hydrogen. Ethene is commonly called as ethylene. Okay, ethylene. So let us see this addition reaction of ethene with hydrogen. So what happens when hydrogen gets added to this ethene in the presence of finely divided nickel or platinum or palladium as a catalyst? This reaction is also called as hydrogenation. Addition reaction, hydrogenation. What happens across the double bond? This hydrogen splits up into two H atoms. Each atom adds to one carbon, and you get a saturated compound called as the ethane. Called as ethane. Now, same addition reaction, let us see for a hydrogen halide. Now, what is a hydrogen halide? As the name suggests, one is hydrogen and the other one is halide. This halide can be chlorine, bromine, iodine, anything. It doesn't matter. So, today let us just generally keep it as only X. Okay, I am keeping this X as Cl here just for your understanding. So the same compound I am taking, which is your ethene on addition with HX, where X is going to be the Cl. H splits up, H adds on to one carbon and X or the chlorine to the next carbon. If H adds on to the first carbon and chlorine to the next carbon, my compound will be this one, CH3, CH2, Cl. Or vice versa, X adds to this, chlorine adds to first carbon and hydrogen to second carbon, then my resultant product will be this CH2, Cl, CH3, chloroethene. Both the way the same, because if this is taken as 1, this will be 2. If this is taken as 1, this will be 2. Doesn't matter, the name will be simply called as chloroethane. Now, this kind of alkene where across the double bond, if I keep the double bond, both the side of my double bond are same. They are symmetric. They are called a symmetric alkene. Symmetric alkene addition reaction is very simple. But if I have to talk about an asymmetric alkene, then there comes something called as Markovnikov's rule. And this Markovnikov's rule, what is the addition, we'll see in the next video. Like, subscribe and share this channel so that everybody can learn chemistry easily. Thank you.